Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Run Flutter Doctor and fix any highlighted issues now. Make sure the SDK is on your path. In Vscode, install Flutter and Dart extensions and restart the editor so tools register. On your device, enable developer mode and USB debugging for Android. For iOS, confirm pairing via Xcode or network developer settings. Once done, connect the device physically or prepare it for pairing so Vscode can detect it. Once the device is ready, connect and configure the environment. Plug the device into USB and accept trust prompts on the screen. Alternatively, enable wireless ADB with a DB TCP/IP 5555 and connect via a DB Connect IP. Run Flutter devices to confirm the device ID and then pick that target in the Vscode status bar. Make sure the Android build variant or iOS scheme is correct for your app. Also confirm the Flutter daemon shows the device as available, but now you finalize and launch the app, then verify behavior. Use Run Start debugging in Vscode or Run Flutter Run in the integrated terminal to install and start your app. Use Hot Reload and Hot Restart to iterate quickly, and watch the debug console and device logs for runtime messages. If something fails, run Flutter Doctor V to spot configuration problems. Collect a DB logcat for Android or the Xcode device console for iOS. One key tip: restart the Flutter daemon and reconnect the device if detection is inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.